Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you some amazing websites to help you to create attractive mockup scenes to show off the beauty of your designs and to promote your products everywhere, like on social media. So first of all, what does it mean by mockup scene? Mockup scene is a picture that contains your product you want to promote with other coordinated items or elements to make this picture comprehensive and completed. For example, if you want to promote a suit, so you can include in your picture or your mockup scene some coordinated items or elements like a pair of shoes, chemise, a tie, and so on and so forth, in order to persuade your customer more with the beauty of your suit. Okay, so in this video, let me show you some amazing websites to create beautiful and attractive mockup scenes. And now let's begin with the first website for today, that is artboard.studio. Artboard Studio. Here you can create beautiful mockup scenes for a lot of different items and products. As you see, it's the best online mockup generator. And here in Artboard Studio, you can feel like working on professional softwares like Photoshop or Photopea regarding dealing with layers, as you see. A lot of layers to create beautiful mockups and a realistic mockup scene. Okay, for a lot of different items and products like magazines, books, bottles, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see. So the first website for today is artboard.studio. Second website for today is glorify.com, and glorify.com is one of the best Canva alternatives where you can create beautiful posts on social media for Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and so on and so forth. And another thing here on Glorify is you can create beautiful mockup scenes just for any product, for any item. So you can go to this template, this amazing template mockup scene, and when you click over that, here you can create beautiful mockup scenes to promote your design and your product professionally and attractively on social media for any product. As you see, magazines, book, t-shirt, jars, bags, and so on and so forth, with amazing mockup scene. Okay, as you see. And for sure, I have talked about this amazing website before in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. So the second website for today is glorify.com to create beautiful mockup scene. The third website for today quickly is unplast.com. unplast.com. Here you can create beautiful mockup scenes for a lot of different items and products, as you see, for equipment scene mockups, for image creator mockup, and so on and so forth, for different fields and topics. Okay. The fourth website for today is elementsinvado.com. invado.com. For sure, here you will find thousands of mockup scene generators, as you see, for a lot of different items and products, starting with credit cards, t-shirts, as you see. And for sure, these amazing templates are PSD files that you can edit on Photoshop, Illustrator, or Photopea. Okay. And of course, it's a paid tool or a paid subscription. However, you can use Envato elements like for free by using this amazing website that's so-called seoshop.com. seoshop.com. And of course, I have talked about this amazing website before. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And there you will find world's best group buy at cheaper price. You can get a lot of websites with subscription just for a few bucks. For example, here you will find a lot of plans like Light Plan. Here you can get access to all these websites and tools just for $4. Okay, and this plan you can use all these websites and tools just for $10. And regarding using Envato elements just for a cheaper price, you can pick this amazing plan designer's pack. Here you can use Storyblocks, Stock Unlimited, and Victeasy in video, and Vista Create, and Canva, Creative Fabrica, PixArt, and so on. And for sure, with this amazing website Envato elements, all these items, all these tools, just for $7 per month. Okay, To know how this website works properly, you can watch this video below in the first comment. Okay, and now let's move on to the next website for today, that is placeit.net. And for sure, placeit.net is the largest marketplace for mockups for any product, for any item, like books, magazines, t-shirts, apparel, tank tops, and much more. And here you can create beautiful mockup scene. For example, if you want to promote a t-shirt, you can go to this one, mockups, okay, and go to apparel, okay, and we can choose this one, products only, as you see. So all you have to do is just you can insert your design here with these coordinated items like hat, sunglasses, and so on and so forth, okay, as you see. Okay, in this preview, like this mockup scene, as you see, mockup scene, pair of shoes and a bag and a jacket, okay, to show off the beauty of your design and your product, as you see. Okay, and for sure you can create your own beautiful mockup scenes from scratch, and you can make them on websites like Canva, Vista Create, or Photoshop. But first of all, you have to get your own mockup, the only item like t-shirt, hoodie, tank top, jar, bottle, eyedropper, and so on and so forth. And afterwards, you can insert in your picture other clip arts of the different items. So you can get this mockup like for packaging item and for t-shirt and so on from Placeit as well. You can get your t-shirt, okay, or if you want to promote an eyedropper or a bottle, you can go to mockups, okay, and go to print and select this one, packaging, okay, and here you can get your own mockup, the product only with a transparent background like a jar, like a paper cup or a bottle, and so on and so forth, okay, and afterwards you can get all other elements or other coordinated items. There's other websites like free SVG, public domain vectors, and so on and so forth, or you can get them all from Canva itself, okay. Now let's move on to the next website for today, that is formcreative.com. formcreative.com. Here you can create and generate your beautiful packaging mockup, okay, as you see, for cans, for magazines, for jars, and so on and so forth. And now let's move on to the next website, that is Viscon. You can get beautiful mockups for different items, as you see, okay. And the next website for today is pixelbuddha.net. pixelbuddha.net. Here in this amazing website you can find a lot of categories like some fonts, some icons, vectors. You can get here a lot of mockup scenes, okay. The next website is creativeposter.net. creativeposter.net. Here you can obtain free packaging mockups, as you see, to create your beautiful mockup scene from scratch, okay, as you see. The next website for today is Mocapworld.co. Mocapworld.co. Here you can get beautiful mockups for packaging products, for MacBooks, and so on, as you see, okay. The next website for today is mockupsdesign.com. mockupsdesign.com. Here you can get beautiful mockups for different items, as here in these categories like for print, for stationery, packaging, decorations, devices, and nature, to get your own mockup, to create your beautiful mockup scene. So for example, if you want to create your own mockup scene on Canva, okay, like this one, and here you can search for items like pair of shoes, as you see. So you can insert these elements in your mockup scene, okay, as you see. So if you want to search for puddle, okay, as you see. And now I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.